Hey, good afternoon, good evening. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Thought I would give you a quick tour of our greenhouses and how they're doing and show you some problems we've run into, some late season stuff that's going on. Tiffany is going to have to, see Tiffany back there? Tiffany's going to have to get some fungicide, organic fungicide sprayed in here. We're going to lose these determinate BHN 589s. They have not handled the greenhouse quite as well as some of the other stuff, but we've actually got it on a few things in here, so we're going to have to work on that. So let me turn you around and show you what we got going on. So we're getting ready to do some harvesting in here, and these are BHN 589s. It's a determinate tomato we got from Johnny's. They are just starting to ripen. We picked a few, and then these are our Sakuras, I think, or Edox, I can't remember. And then there's our Carolinas. You'll see we've been doing quite a bit of lowering and leaning in here. The fans are running wide open. I want to get a bigger fan because it's not moving enough air. These tomatoes are still continuing to set fruit. This is the Pink Wonders. The Pink Wonders have not done as well once the weather got really hot. They've had some green shouldering going on, so that's a concern for me. The Big Dinas have held up very well. That's a Big Dina. And over there we got some greenhouse peppers, and we've got a new planting of greenhouse cucumbers. Tiffany, what variety did we plant?
I think that was is it Socrates? That's the
Okay, so we planted Socrates, which is a bait alpha type, muncher type greenhouse variety. Sowed those seeds last week?
Yep.
Sowed those seeds?
Almost 1 week ago.
Yep, just about 1 week ago. I think we sowed them last Saturday. And we've had them on drip, so they're doing quite well. Germination is 100%. Got 1 weak plant back there. I'm going to watch that dripper, make sure the dripper's working good. I got one plant not very good shape. We got some cucumbers to pull. I got a feeling wilts got them, so they got to come out. And if you see here, we have some wilt on these tomatoes. Now that being said, it's not as big a deal on these because these guys are getting ready to come out. This is a determinate variety, so they're just about done. So we're going to be starting to pull these and replanting in their place something else. So excuse the mucky mess. I literally just turned the drip off, and this is heavy clay under this, and it doesn't drain very well. Causes a few problems. Right there, I hope you can see, that is, I'm just trying to keep from, a little bit closer. So, that is an overwintered, from last year, Caribbean red plant that's producing quite well. Very happy with that. These are our clementines. The clementines have been excellent for us this year. They're starting to succumb to some late diseases, but that'll be okay. Now over here, greenhouse number 1, we have some cucumbers and some mini eggplant. This guy's actually getting a little big. Got to be picked today. So these are Hansels. They make a really nice 3 to 4 inch mini eggplant. Failed to get these cucumbers trellised, which they don't get trellised very well in here because it's a short greenhouse. We've only got 6-foot sidewalls. So, but we failed to trellis them, so we've been picking off the ground. Now these are some more Hansel eggplants. And then down here we have Gretel. Now Gretel is a white variety, And we've noticed, they said Gretel was 3 to 4 inches long also, if I remember right. But the Gretel are getting more like 6 inches. So, and we got some more eggplant planted here. Tiffany, was this Antigua?
Ping Tongue.
Oh, so here we got some more eggplant. This is a ping tongue variety that will be growing out for a late season. Don't expect these guys to make it all the way up till Thanksgiving, but we're hoping that these new ones will keep producing, so we'll have eggplant right on and on and on. So here's another Gretel. Got some sage growing, some basil, and I'm not sure, lemon balm maybe.
That's oregano.
Oregano.
Yeah. There was chamomile, but it's about lived its life. So.
And over here we have some, what type of spinach?
That is New Zealand spinach. It is a very heat tolerant. Sometimes it gets a little bitter, but it's spinach and it grows through the summertime, which is pretty nice. And horehound.
And over here is our DIY tunnel. Still working. And over here we've got some ghost peppers, some red ghost and some Jay's peach ghost and some chocolate ghost. And then over here at the end we have some reapers down there. So we got some reapers. And we planted some 7 pots, some chocolate and yellow, some Trinidad Moruga scorpions. Now these will have a little heat put on them this fall. We wished we'd planted them earlier, but we just didn't have time. And some more ghost peppers. So these will have heat put on them this fall, and we'll keep them going in here as long as we can. And then our kale has just been picked clean and got hit rough by bugs, but it's coming back right now. We've got it on drip and feeding it a little bit, so as you can see, we got some nice new growth coming back on that. So it's been a busy year. The weeds haven't let up at all. This is asparagus ferns. And right here is Tasty Jade cucumber that's going to get picked here just shortly. Got some yellowing on a couple. I think that the plants are dying. So me and Tiffany are going to pull some plants this evening, get them out of here, and get this stuff back to what it needs to be. Alright, I've got to get off here and help my lovely wife pick some tomatoes. See what she's already picked there, and this is just a small percentage. We still have to pick over here. Got some pruning to do. That'll probably be around 16 pints of cherry tomatoes, and then we got a bunch of ripe tomatoes to pick. So we got to get to work, because tomorrow we can't be picking. We got to be taking care of weeds. So, all right, that's me and Tiff signing off. Tiff, you want to tell everybody bye?